A couple of years ago, I was working for this corporate company in the US, and I was doing their content for them. But this was a very a liberal kind of company, and they would do a lot of content that went against my values. For the first 2 years, it was fine. But then, as time went by, they had hired a new content leader. She was very, very against God, I would say, with the kind of content that she would just assign to me. It would be like really weird stuff, topics about why masturbation is good, or why you need to use sexual toys and stuff like that. I would say no to this, I would say no to that. So they would try to make it really hard for me. So 18 stories in 3-4 hours was really hard, but somehow God gave me the grace to do that as well. But every day I would have to nitpick topics and say, I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do this. This goes against my values. But I would pray and ask God, how do I handle this? I can't just keep saying no over and over and over again. They're going to get very frustrated with me. And of course, the frustration was both ways. So I tolerated it for about 3 months. I just continued doing what I had to do. I had to say no where I had to say no. But after 3 months, it got very frustrating. I was like, Lord, I can't do this anymore. In my prayer time, I just heard God say, you can either serve God or serve money. What are you going to choose? And I was like, whoa, is this confirmation to something that I need to be doing? Do you want me to quit this place? Because I don't know what's next. I absolutely have no idea what I'm going to do. There's no open doors yet. So what do you want me to do, God? In my prayer time on a Friday evening, I was reminded of what Jesus was telling his disciples, if they don't pay attention to your words, just shake the dust off your feet. And it was so symbolic for me because I was rejecting all the pagan ideologies that these people were trying to get me to write in this place. So this was Friday evening, and Monday morning I resigned. And I was like, I'm so done. And you won't believe it, just a week later, I got a contract for a completely new project that paid me 6 times more than what I was getting in this company. And it was that bold step of faith, and I would say that step of obedience to just stand up for what God wants you to stand up for, and let your yes be a yes and your no be a no.